And you got a wood platform. Use discount code JACOBVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Oh, sorry. I'm in line next. Thank you. I'm coming in, is that all right? Your voltage is really good, man.
Yeah.
I was looking at it earlier.
It stays up good now.
How's your, what kind of lithium, or just tell me everything in here in your name, man.
Name's Nick Webb. I got two ZV4 15s on Salt 6K, 45 amp hour C-Max.
45, got it.
300 amp Brand X opening.
Okay, nice. And your port tuning on that, did you dial, I mean, where's that at?
It's 35.
35, okay. I remember your stacked port, it's really cool. Sweet.
It's probably gonna get a little stinky.
Don't blow nothing.
I'll try not to.
We gotta give him something new to say. Let's name it something new.
Voltage is so solid. That's impressive, man. The subs are definitely handling the power, though. I mean, with that voltage, is this at 1 ohm or half ohm?
1 ohm.
1 ohm. Wow. I mean, I'm sure you're keeping it clean.
I had it. It was at 2.
Okay.
And then I wired it down.
You did? Okay, got it. Awesome.
Yeah,
Appreciate the demo.
I actually had them. Inverted.
Okay.
And then I had them set at 2. They were at 2 ohms.
Oh, then you mounted it regular.
Looking back at a box, wire them down.
Yeah. That makes sense because you have a little bit more power too. Yeah. Awesome. Thank you, man.
Thank you.
Appreciate the demo. What was your name?
Nick.
Nick. Okay, got it. Appreciate it.
Yeah. I got you on Facebook.
Yeah, I know. Can we see? Can I see the back real quick?
Yeah, go ahead.
I do it for the video.
Yeah, you're good.
Nice. And you got a wood platform. Looks good.
something new to say. Like what? Let's land this on me.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.